Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Marian Magdal. I'll be your presenter for today. This is my sample of dressmaking and situ workshop sample layout. For the sample layout, I used to connect the practical work areas to contextual learning areas because based on my uh, layout, mas importante magkasama yung dalawa. And then next, yung nasa baba is the institutional assessment area para mas madali yung connection with the practical. And then, sunod po nun yung quality control area para mapaganda po yung quality na mapoproduce. And then the support area, marami po siya for maintenance and then for display. Yung trainer resources area po, in the front ko po siya dinagay. And then, yung distance learning and computer laboratory, magkasama na po sa isang ah, place na lang po. And then yung learning resources area, nandito po sa middle, kasama ng contextual and practical. Thank you so much for your listening.